Hello friends, welcome to the Vidyavision YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover about career in fine arts. To have a successful fine arts career, one should be creative-minded and possess a lot of patience. Career in fine arts is primarily classified into 6 categories: painting, sculpting, architecture, poetry, performing arts, and music, which are further divided into several branches. Fashion designing and multimedia are also classified as modern aspects of fine arts. Stepping into fine arts is purely dependent on one's personal interest. Personal hobbies and personal interests play a major role in choosing a course in fine arts. To make a commercial career in fine arts, one needs to know the mind of clients, customers, and meet their demands. Self-motivation, knowledge of advancements, ability to reach the deadlines, determination helps one to have a successful fine arts career. Fine arts courses and eligibility. Fine arts courses are offered at graduate, postgraduate, and diploma levels. Bachelor degree courses. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Painting. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Sculpting. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Applied Arts. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Photography. Bachelor of Fine Arts in Animation. Eligibility, 10 and +2. Master degree courses. Master of Fine Arts in Painting. Master of Fine Arts in Sculpting. Master of Fine Arts in Applied Arts. Master of Fine Arts in Photography. Master of Fine Arts in Animation. Eligibility, BFA. Career prospects of fine arts. Fine arts jobs are hard to find for a normal person. A successful fine arts career is fetched only with consistent hard work and determination along with creativity and innovation. Instead of searching for fine arts jobs, it is better to have a freelancing career in fine arts. This video gives you much needed information regarding fine arts jobs or careers in fine arts. Painting. Painter or artist. A painter or artist chooses his profession merely based on his personal interest. A commercial artist makes his career by selling his artworks to art studios, art exhibitions, auction houses, museums, and more. Illustrator. An illustrator narrates a story or an incident into a few images by sketching or drawing them. An illustrator can find his career in newspapers, magazines, publishing houses, and more. An illustrator also designs logos, signage, billboards, posters, and more. Curator. The job of a curator is to select the best artworks and paintings to be exhibited in his studio or in the organization he works for. Art studios, art exhibitions, auction houses, and museums recruit experienced artists as curators into their organizations. Art teacher. Career as an art teacher is one of the best jobs for a fine arts postgraduate. A postgraduate in fine arts can work as an art teacher in schools, colleges, and BFA students. Muralist. A muralist is one who does create extremely large works of art, often paintings, artworks at a larger scale. Buildings, large walls, ceilings, floors, large billboards, and posters are the canvases for a muralist. Calligraphy. Calligraphy is the art of writing text in an artistic manner using a broad-tip instrument, brush, or other writing instruments. A calligrapher exhibits his skills in designing wedding invitations, stone inscriptions, logos, religious art, and more. Sculpting. Pottery. Pottery is an artwork that demands a lot of patience and creativity. A skillful potter uses ceramics, clay, terracotta, glass, and more to make crockery, glassware, pots, vases, and other handicrafts. A potter has plenty of career opportunities in any home decor or home furnishing industry. Wood carving or carpentry. Wood carving is the work of a skillful carpenter. A carpenter carves a piece of wood into a masterpiece that is used in the home or office decoration. The more creativity a carpenter delivers, the more he earns. Stone carving. A sculptor carves a piece of stone and turns it into a masterpiece. Stone carving takes a lot of time to become an end product. Artists' works are exhibited in art studios, art exhibitions, museums, and auction houses. Performing arts. Theater arts. Career in theater arts varies from participating in street plays to acting in movies and television shows. A theater artist finds his career by acting in stage shows, street plays, movies, television soaps, television commercials, and documentaries. Acting is revered as a high-paid career in the performing arts. Puppetry, ventriloquism, and clowning are part of theater arts. Dance. Dance is another division of the performing arts. A story is made short and performed in the form of dance, with some music or a song in the background, to impress the audience. Classical, traditional, acrobatics, ballet, opera, and hip-hop are some pairs of contemporary dance. Music. Composer. Composer of the music is the one who creates songs and musical tunes with the help of singers, fellow musicians, and musical instruments. A composer invents or creates new tunes and arranges them to become a song. He uses several musical instruments and lyrics to create one single song. Musician. A musician is a person who can play one or more musical instruments to create some good music. The career of a musician is found with music bands, music composers, and movie and television show producers. Sound engineer. A sound engineer or an audio engineer uses musical instruments and technology to produce a recording. A sound engineer has many career opportunities in audio recording studios, television studios, movie and television show production houses, music bands, stage shows, and more. Lyricist. The career of a lyricist has a wide range of opportunities in the film and media industry. The job of a lyricist is to compose songs and poems whenever required. Music bands, television channels, film industry are hot spots for a career as a lyricist. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our Vidyavision YouTube channel for career guidance videos, exam updates, courses, results, exam timetables, notifications, college reviews, and more. Follow us on social media for more updates.